Welcome to the Daily Message. I begin this morning with a personal story. When I was a much younger man, I had this feeling that I needed to do something really big for the world, really big for God, that I needed to do something really important to have an impact in this world, that's what God wanted of me. Over time, I began to realize that those idealistic pretensions were not me. They weren't really who I was and didn't reflect the gifts and the talents that God had given to me. And eventually, I was able to see that maybe I had the gift of being able to share knowledge with others, to be a teacher. And I finally was able to embrace that gift that God had given to me. As we approach this season of Lent, this season of purification, this season in which we seek ever more closely to come to the truth of our lives, to discover who we really are, and therefore to discover the God within us, I ask us all to think about that one gift, that one talent that we have that maybe we don't even want to acknowledge or have never acknowledged before. To think about what that talent might be, what that gift might be, whatever it is, to begin to express it, to let go of our fears of failure about expressing it. Because when we do, and we discover that we're more gifted and even more talented than we thought, we're better able to love ourselves, to express the truth of ourselves in the world. And at the same time, the world benefits. The world needs our giftedness. The world needs our generosity and our love and our talents. And so as we begin this season of Lent, I invite all of us to reflect on that personal gift that we will identify and begin to share with the world. Thank you so much for watching again today, and happy Mardi Gras.